This 5-minute solution will show you how to add soundboard sounds to Discord server from mobile. It's very easy process to upload a soundboard. Just follow these easy steps. All you have to need, open a browser, and on your browser open discord.com, and here make sure to sign into your Discord account. And now go to the server where you want to add or upload a soundboard. Now tap on the server name, and here tap on server settings, and here you will get soundboard. Tap on it, and that's it. Here you will get upload sounds option. Tap on browse, and now you will get the option to upload a sound for your soundboards. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.